a new fridge. Oh my god, we are the same height. Me and my fridge are almost the same height. Yes guys, so let's unbox this package. So I went for a Mika double door fridge. It's 168 liters. It's not that an upgrade, but it's still an upgrade, guys. So let's unbox together. Let me take scissors. Scissors, yeah. Oh, living alone, chronicles. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Clarice over here, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so on that red box down below. So guys, God has been so faithful. God has been so great. So I got this fridge from Carrefour, and yes, so far so good. It's a very nice one. So here we are unboxing it. Yes guys, and for those asking, nilishauza the other one, the one that I had, I already sold it. So I went for this one. This one is 168 liters, and the other one was, I think, 140 something liters. So it's just like a small upgrade. But yes guys, so you see over here, you've done your unpackaging. Oh my god, I feel so good doing this, and I feel so proud of myself doing this. Yes guys, so let's go into the unboxing and having the satisfying peel of just removing that nylon out of that fridge. It's so amazing guys. So join me as I do this, and don't forget subscribe.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime.
So guys, this is the fridge. It has just fit perfectly on where I wanted to put. This is where the other one was. Now it may fit so perfectly. So here I'm unpeeling. I'm trying those bottles. I was afraid hazingeweza kufit, but zime fit, and I'm so happy about it. So over here I'm just checking the fridge out. In ile ya kuweka ice cubes. Yes, hiyo ni ile ya kuweka ice cubes, but I'm thinking it's taking a lot of space hapo kwa freezer, but I'll just find something to do with it. So over here I'm just removing the holders, zile solitape zenye huwa wanaeka kuhold hizo glasses while they're transporting it. I just want to remove it, then I wash it. I wash the fridge, then let it sit for like 2 hours. That's when I can put it on and put my things on. And yes guys, I feel so amazing. I feel so great. So let's unbox this. It's a good one. Iko sawa, the size is okay for one person. I think this is okay. And yes guys, so I'm just removing everything, making sure everything is good before I connect it to power.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
Guys, oh my god, God has been faithful. God has been faithful. God has been faithful for the past 2 months. Amekuwa akini bless. I don't know, like, I just don't know. God has just come through for me with matters appliances, So guys, look at what I have here. Oh my God, I've really wanted to have an air fryer. Nimetamani sana kukuwa na air fryer. Oh my God, and I was just praying to God. I'm like, God, oh, bless me with an air fryer, bless me with an air fryer. And finally God did it. God did it. So I got this air fryer. Luckily, naangukia vitu za offer. So it was on offer at Naivas, and yes, I bagged it. Though I wanted like zile air fryer. Like kuna ingine, it was so big, so nice. But at the moment, pesa haikuwa inatosha. So for now, this will do. And guess what? Here it is. Oh my God, I'm slowly becoming a Mika babe. And I loved it as much as I don't like the shape. I don't like the shape of it at all. This shape, oh my God, I don't like it. But I love the fact that it's manual. Like you just control it with the knobs. Me, actually tu mniite mshamba, but I don't like hizi za automatic. Jue, sayo mara mkono imekata, mara siju kifinya haifinyiki. Like a lot of mishaps. So heri tu hii manual, unafinya hapo kama ni 30 minutes, 200 degrees, and yes, you'll be good to go. So I'm slowly becoming a Mika babe. Mika, look for me. So this is it. I want to unbox with you guys. So the challenge is, I don't know where to put it. Sina space. As much as I have a big kitchen, I don't have space. Hapa pameja, huku kumeja, hapa pameja. So hata sijui nitaiweka wapi. This is what we call blessings. Like God is telling you, bless you. Paka washangai. Like anaku bless paka you don't know where to put some things. Huh? I'm so excited. So I'm going to unbox with you guys. Let us unbox and see what is inside. Hata mimi mwenyewe sijaifungua. You see, venye tu ilikuwa. So I want to open it with you guys. Then I cook my dinner. Yeah, then we call it a night. So let's do this. So guys, even the way inakuja, this is how it is. So let us cut the box, the big cut. Oh my God, mtu anakata huko ama hapa katikati, I don't know. The big cut on the side. On the side. So this is it. So inakuja ikikuwa hivi. Then remove this. And here it is. Oh my God, there's a quitter. Oh, we have an air fryer. Look at it. The shape ain't that bad. It's not as bad as I thought. But I would love ingekuwa square, ingekuwa rectangle, other than circle-ish. So as you can see, hapa ndo wameandika whatever you want to air fry, this is what you use. It's basically just like an oven, just that ina take shorter time. I'm thinking so. Yeah, so this is it. Let me put it here. this is the air fryer. Oh my god, hata najua inafunguliwa aje. Hey, now ushamba is kicking me. Okay, we did it. So this is the nani. Sasa inatolewa aje? Okay, we did it. So this is the nani. This is where you'll be putting your whatevers. This is where you'll be putting your whatever. It's 3.5 liters. It's 3.5 liters. So I would really love it ingekuwa square. So this is where you put your nania. And then this is the bigger sufuria. I don't know what to call it. Basket. They're calling it basket. I don't know what. So this is the bigger basket. Then this is the machine itself. So it's basically just a coil that is up here. It's just a coil that is up here, just like the one in the oven. It's basically just like an oven, by the way, guys. So acha turudishe sasa. Kizungumkuti ni mahali pa kuiweka. Kizungumkuti ni mahali pa kuiweka. So just take it back. Then the cord is here. Hii cord itafika huko mwisho kule. Yes. So guys, that's it for the air fryer, and I tried it. It was amazing, and thank you so much for watching. If you've reached this far, thank you so much. See you on the next one. I tried it with some potatoes and some sausages, and it turned out amazing. See you on the next one. Ciao.